Now let's move on to the adaptation model of nursing by Sister Calista Roy. The model emphasizes that individuals strive to maintain balance among systems by adapting to the changing environment. For the major concepts, first is the adaptation. It is the process where an individual adapts positively to the changing environment. And second is the four adapting modes. This includes the physiological, self-concept, role function, and interdependence. Representing Each represents a way for a person to adapt. Now, moving on to the four meta-paradigm. For a person, it is viewed as an individual interacting with the environment, seeking to adapt or adjust. Next is the health. Health is the process is the process of being and becoming an integrated and whole person. For environment, it is the combinations of influence, circumstances, where it affects the individual. And lastly, for nursing, it is a process of promoting adaptation by enhancing an individual's interaction to the environment. And that is all for the adaptation model of nursing by Sister Calista Roy. Now, lastly, let's talk about Hildegard Baclau's interpersonal relation theory. Hildegard Baclau is known as the mother of psychiatric nursing and developed the interpersonal relation theory. This theory emphasizes that nurse-patient relationship is the foundation of nursing practices. Now let's move on to the major concepts. Let's talk about the four nurse-patient relation. This includes the orientation, identification, exploitation, and lastly is the resolution. Now let's move on to the four meta-paradigms. First is the person. Person is defined as a organism that strives to lessen tension generated by needs. Health is a personal growth and bodily function that leads to a happier or better life. For environment, although Pablau doesn't directly address environment, she encourages nurses to consider the patient's culture as they adapt to the hospital routines. And lastly, for nursing, nursing is an important healing process where a nurse works closely with the patient to better their life. And that is all for my video recitation. Thank you.